Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, BVF Collection, bringing you yet another unboxing, unwrapping video. In today's video, we got ourselves a 2018, I think, 2018 VETEMENTS t-shirt. I'm gonna say it, the fuck VETEMENTS t-shirt. Oh my gosh, I said it. It is the name, that is why I said it. It is the name of the t-shirt, okay? It's amazing, like rainbow, cool looking design. You guys see it in the thumbnail. Let's go ahead and get it open. Also, shout out to my homie Revenger Mike. Freaking gave me a steal on this. And this may look like not just a t-shirt, and that's because it isn't just a t-shirt. He also went ahead and gave me all of his extra, or at least a ton that he didn't want, Revenge and X bags. So let's go ahead and check out the bags real quick. Let me check out the t-shirt. Boom. Oh my gosh. Okay. Like one revenge, no, like two. Okay, hold on. I think 2 or 3. Yeah, 2 normal revenge bags and the rest kill handbags. Thank you, Mike. As you can tell, I have a lot of clothes that need protection. And this is the perfect instance for it. All double XL. Gotta love it. Thank you, Mike. Again, shout out Mike, the Revenger. And the main attraction, the t-shirt. And now it is cropped, I know. So let's go ahead and check that out too. Oh, here's the cropping at the bottom. T-shirt reveal in 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay. Wham. Gonna lay it down. This logo is by far one of the best Revenge logos of all time. I really do like it. I'm not sure why they decided to name it what they named it. I don't know if this logo resembles a VETEMENTS logo. As you can tell, lots of cracking and missing stuff. But look at this. My favorite size and my favorite type of Revenge tag. Freaking lightning tag and double XL. That's what I'm talking about. Now, if we check out the bottom, it has been cut. So whoever was the OG owner was not an XXL and wanted it a little bit shorter. So luckily for me, yeah, I'm not a true 2X, so I don't need extra width, so having it being cut, not too shabby. Nothing on the back, so don't even bother wondering about that. But yeah, dope Revenge piece. This is going to be like one of those like beater type pieces, you know, able to just wear and not give a dang about. Let's flip and go. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you have an awesome day. BVF Collection, tuning out, signing off. Peace.